Hey lovely people, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieved these easy jumbo braids, then please keep watching. So let's jump right in. So first I'm going to start off by taking this Wild Grow serum. I love this stuff. I have very dry skin and a very dry scalp, so this stuff just keeps my scalp moisturized. And with a protective style like this, you need to make sure you retain all the moisture you can get. Next, I take the Jamaican Mango and Lime Island Oil. It's a moringa seed oil with manuka honey, and I use this because it smells amazing. Lastly, I take the As I Am leave-in conditioner and I put that all throughout my hair, especially the ends because that's the oldest part of my hair. And then I take my tail comb and I part my hair into 4 sections. I find it easier when I organize my sections that way. You can part yours into 3 or 2, it's up to you. But for me, I like 4 sections and I use a clip to separate each section. For my extensions, I use the Sensational brand Expressions pre-stretched hair in color 1B, and I used 4 packs for my whole head. And now on to the fun part, the braiding. Look how happy I was just because I had 2 left. So I did the back of my head and I left the 2 at the front so that I could do them on camera for you guys. I started off with my own piece of hair, just finger combing it, detangling. And then I do a 3-strand braid, just a regular 3-strand braid, like so. As you can see, I do not braid my own hair all the way, just because I'm going to be adding extensions to it anyways. So because these are jumbo braids, I take a big piece of hair, and then I also separate those 2 pieces into 1 bigger piece and 1 smaller piece. Then I take my crochet needle. I prefer this kind for jumbo braids because I find this needle is bigger than the pink and yellow one. I put it in between my braids, the bigger piece first. I insert it through, and then I take the smaller piece and then I insert that through my braid as well. If the braid you do with your natural hair is tight, it will be difficult to put the crochet needle through and to put the hair through as well. So do it a good tightness, but don't do it too tight where you struggle to put it through. So now you're gonna have 4 pieces of extensions. You're gonna have 2 chunky pieces and 2 skinny pieces. I like to bring the 2 skinny pieces together with my natural hair. And then I like to separate the 2 chunky pieces so that I end up with 3 strands. And then I do a 3-stranded regular braid. I'm just going to speed through the braiding because I know most of you know how to braid. But if you don't and would like a more detailed tutorial on how to braid, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to check your braids. If you don't have a mirror in front of you like me, you'll have to feel it with your fingers to make sure it's straight. And just braid, braid, braid till you get to the end of your hair. So on to the last braid. So I'm doing the same steps as I did for the previous one, just braiding my own natural hair, not to the end, just for a good length where I can put the crochet through it. Once again, I'm taking my crochet needle, starting off with a bigger piece, putting that through my braided hair. Now I'm putting the skinnier strand of hair through my hair as well, so that I'll have 4 pieces once again. Now I've joined the 2 skinny pieces with my hair and the 2 chunky pieces I've separated, and now I'm doing a 3-stranded braid. And now we are all done. Yes, honey. For my ends, I wanted them to be curly and not straight, so I took flexi rods and I curled the ends with those. And then I boiled hot water so that I can dip my ends into them. This not only seals the braid, but it also sealed the curl. You have to be really careful with this step. You can easily get burned, so be very, very careful. Use towels or ask someone to help you. Now I'm just removing the flexi rods, and look at the beautiful curls at the end. I love it. And we all know a hair look is not complete until we slick those edges. So I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. I like using this gel on my edges because it's not too harsh. It doesn't give me any crunch. Then I grab a hair scarf and then I wrap it around my edges for about 10 minutes just to keep it in place. I was in a rush, so I did take my blow dryer to dry my ends quickly. Then I took my Lotta Body foaming mousse, just ran it through my braids. This just keeps my braids neat and it keeps it from frizzing. And now for the finished look. I love these braids. They're quick, easy to do, and they're perfect for any occasion. They're a great length right above my bum. This was my first time doing jumbo braids on my own head, and I must say this method was very easy for me to do, and it's also very easy to maintain. The hardest part for me was probably sectioning out my parts, but when I got the hang of it, it was easy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remain blessed.